Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Ticketmaster account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your ticketmaster.com on your browser, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the help option on the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on help here, what you need to do is on the search bar simply type in delete my account. And once you tap on delete my account here, you'll be seeing an option that says closing my account profile. Simply click on it or tap on it. And once you tap on it here on the closing my account profile, you'll be seeing privacy policy option highlighted in blue letters. Simply click on this or tap on it. And once you do that, you'll be redirected to the privacy policy page. Now all you gotta do is scroll down until you find this contact option highlighted in blue color. Simply click on it, and then you'll be redirected to the bottom of the page under contact us, and there you'll find the email through which you can contact Ticketmaster. Now what you need to do is copy that email, and here go to your Gmail or any other mail and send an email to privacy or Ticketmaster using the email that you have copied. And once you do that, you can add the subject like delete my account, and I want to delete my account for my personal reason. Can you help me delete it? My account name is, enter in your name, your phone number and your email as well. And once you do that, click on send, and once you send it, after a couple of days the Ticketmaster will reach out to you and help you delete your Ticketmaster account. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.